Giant Otter vs. Jaguar. Introduction. The giant otter and jaguar are powerful animals found in the Amazon rainforest. While the jaguar is a skilled predator on land, the giant otter is an expert swimmer and defender in water. Both are known to compete for fish and other prey along riverbanks. Giant otter. Giant otters are large, social animals that live in families. They are quick and agile in water, using teamwork to catch fish and protect themselves from threats. When faced with danger, they work together and use loud calls to scare off predators. Jaguar. Jaguars are strong and stealthy hunters, excellent swimmers who often hunt near rivers. Known for their powerful bite, they can prey on large animals and sometimes approach the water in search of food, which may lead them into conflict with otters. The encounter. If a jaguar approaches a giant otter family, the otters use teamwork and loud noises to drive it away. In water, otters have the advantage, but on land, the jaguar is stronger. These encounters are a balance of strength and strategy. Conclusion. The giant otter and jaguar are both skilled predators with different strengths. Their rare encounters show the clever ways animals survive and protect their families in the Amazon's challenging environment. Do like, share, and comments on my videos. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notification for the upcoming videos. Thanks.